Jessica 傾偈咧 ，Well, let's talk about dream. Actually, you brought us two very special pictures here tonight, right? Let's have a look. What is it?
Did I?
好啦，咁啊頭先咧導演咧就用咧原來佢嘅方法咧就點忙都要聯繫，至於講到夢想同 Jessica，oh that's really cute. Well, I pretty much can tell actually you dreamt for being a model since probably you were like 2. That's like 19 years ago.
19? Yeah, we could say that.
So, and then what happened to the well? What's in that picture? What is it?
Well, this picture, my mom, she loved to take photos of me when I was younger, and this photo is the Canon shooting, which really helped me here in Hong Kong. My dream has always been to make my family proud, and I'm lucky to have the opportunity to be a model and to travel and to be here in Hong Kong. So this was like the moment I felt proud of myself, and my mom was really proud of me.
And that's actually the moment when we got to know you, right? 咁啊頭先佢講到咧，講夢想嘅時候咧，嗱一睇呢一張咧，我話哇都應該係19年前嘅啦，應該都係得嗰2歲啊3歲影嘅。我話一睇幅相都估到應該你細個都希望做個 model 㗎啦。咁啊冇錯，的而且確咧，原來 Jessica 咧不嬲都有呢個做 model 夢想嘅。亦都係因為呢個夢想咧，將佢帶到嚟香港啦。咁啊，當佢咧就係俾第2張相我哋睇嘅時候咧，咁啊嗰張相咧其實咧就係當時佢個廣告嘅拍攝場地啦。咁啊，亦都係因為嗰個廣告咧，我哋先至會認識到 Jessica C 啦。I know it's actually quite tough for you, like to live. I mean, like to come all the way to Hong Kong to work to start your modeling career. It's tough for you, but guess it's all paid off, right?
Of course it has. I mean, I love traveling, I love working here, but the only regret I have is that my family can't be with me. So as much as possible, I try to take photos, keep it connected, and call them as much as possible.
係啦，頭先都講到啦，咁啊有夢想梗係好啦，不過個夢想咧將佢帶咗嚟香港，可能咧對呢個女孩子嚟講都幾艱苦係咪？即係要同屋企人啦距離咁遠。不過咧我諗所有嘢都值得啦。咁啊 Jessica 都話係嘅，不過咧最緊要都係希望得閒嘅時候咧可以譬如寫多啲 email 啊 ，update 自己啲嘢俾啲屋企人知道咧，咁會更加好啦。咁啊兩位咧都係率先咧就係用過 X10嘅朋友啦，不如又分享一下咧用咗呢個手機嘅感覺係點啦？劉導演，
我好期待啦，因為我成日想揾部相機可以揾部電話即刻影相，因為我周圍去睇景啊各樣，有時帶好多機，
好多架撐起身啊！
咁啊有部咁嘅相機 HD 咁樣就可以影到我想要嘅嘢，同埋可以入好多資料我想美術指導要嘅嘢咧，變咗係咯，我準備打算希望半年後我用呢部嘢咧影啲相開個影展。
哇！其實我話得啊！因為佢個 pixel 好高啦，即係810萬像素咧，同埋我諗齋憑你講嘅呢一點咧，都知道呢啲係職業病嚟嘅應該。即係揀電話嘅時候咧 ，sorry， 我都要有個好嘅 quality 喺度，我先可以用得。
一定要啦，唔會揀。
唔會揀係咪先？Oh Jessica, so tell us like what do you like about this phone?
Well, I have a very busy life. It's very high speed, so I need something high speed for me. This phone is great because even my family's all the way on the other side of the world. I can upload photos very fast, update my blogs, my Facebook, and they can see it within instantly.
Right， 咁啊佢都講到啦，的而且確咧，佢所有嘢咧都講求高效率啦。咁啊速度亦都好緊要嘅。咁啊佢講到 high speed 嘅 connection 好緊要。我諗頭先咧，其實佢講嗰一點咧最方便咧，就係當佢咧將所有嘢一 upload 落個電話度咧，其實呢個平台咧可以同一時間咧就係發過去唔同嘅地方，譬如好似有 Facebook 啊、Twitter 啊等等。咁啊變咗咧用好少嘅時間咧就會得到最多嘅效果啦。And once again, thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. 唔該晒劉導演 ，Thank you Jessica。